Save time and money with Arlington's LTMC rain-tight, concrete-tight, heavy-duty zinc fittings. They're designed especially for PVC jacketed MC cable and Tech 90 in Canada. Perfect for parking decks or high-rise residential, they're the economical solution for these applications. They fit a range of cable sizes, so you'll reduce inventory and save the cost and hassle of stocking several different size fittings. The smallest ships ready to install on number 10, 12, or 14 PVC jacketed MC cable. The larger sizes cover the widest cable range, up to 4'3". The outer jacket of the metal cable determines the fitting to use. LTMC 50 handles an outer diameter of 0.415 to 0.565. LTMC 507 covers 0.550 to 0.765. And LTMC 75 for a 3/4 inch knockout covers 0.725 to 0.980. LTMC fittings are easy to install. Cut the PVC jacket back 1 1/4 inches from the cable end. Remove the sharp edges, then push the cable into the fitting, tighten the nut, and insert the assembly into the box. Arlington's rain-tight, concrete-tight LTMC series fittings, the ideal solution to installations using PVC jacketed cable.